up, people? Welcome back. I thought I would, since I posted the pre-spring episode just yesterday and now again today, I mean, come on, look at this. It's winter wonderland again, and I just wanted to share that with you guys because living in Norway, this switch so fast. You know, it's part of the beauty of it. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have like cars coming by here a little bit, but let's try to do that good one. So yeah, Skyline won't see any any of these roads right now because there's salt and everything all the time, so that, yeah, we have to avoid that stuff. So, but I mean, come on, this is sort of one of the nice places up here. It's like a little bit of a view here, so you can see further, which is down there. Apologize for the cars and stuff here, so don't worry about that. Hopefully they won't affect the sound too much. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick video that, you know, this stuff, you know, this is what we live 6 months in this stuff usually here, but it's been getting hotter and hotter every year, but it's really nice when you can get this back. So yeah, all right, so that was a quick shout out again. Enjoy winter time as long as we have this. All right, so yeah, okay. This, by the way, is my winter ride. Got a little bit of slapstick on it here. How about that one, huh? Need to have a little bit of that stuff. It's Japanese spirits though. She's in the garage. This one is just a fierce little car. This one, you know, got all the stuff, you know, that you need for a good winter car. Diesel, 4-wheel drive. It's probably a stage 2 chip in that piece of shit there, and it drifts. She moves, definitely. All right, that's all I wanted to say. So okay, thanks for sticking around and subscribe, and I thank you for all the feedback I get. You know, whatever it is, just keep it coming. I appreciate it. So okay, thank you, and have a good Sunday still going on. All right, bye bye, love you.